Hello, I'm Jennifer Spencer with Spencer Properties with our second quarter market update report. And the market in the Triangle is very solid. Home prices are up 5% from where they were a year ago, and that's a good rate of appreciation. It's slightly higher than the long-term average, but it's good that we're not in double-digit appreciation because that is where you start to see volatility in the market and a potential bubble. So good, solid, steady growth is desirable. Inventory is improving with more houses coming on the market now than a year ago, so that we're starting to see a little bit of improvement in that area. And interest rates are steady. In fact, there's the projection that they will go down towards the end of this year, so that will continue to support our steady growth, as will the 2 to 3% job growth that we continue to see in this area and expect to see in the coming year in this area. So we are looking for probably 2 to 3 more years of growth. And it is good that we're in a growth market now. We've finally recovered. We had already hit our pre-recession prices on homes $500,000 and down. And now we're seeing about 2% growth from where we were at the peak. So we're back and then some. Now homes over 500,000, we're still seeing inventory on market. In the 5 to 700,000 range, there's about 5 months of inventory on the market. In the 700 to 900,000 range, there's about 11 months inventory. And then when you get to the 900,000 and up, there's 17 months inventory, which is not unusual for the luxury home market, but it's still showing that those markets are still in recovery from prior to the recession. So we are overall recovered when you look at the overall average, but when you look at the luxury home market, we're still getting there. So if you're buying homes under $350,000, you need to move quickly. If you're selling a home over $350,000, you'll probably have multiple offers and full price and maybe a little bit of struggle with appraisals. If you're buying or selling homes in the $500,000 and up, it's a much more steady market. In the $350,000 to $500,000 range, it really depends on the location in terms of what you see there. The closer to downtown areas that you are located, the more the market will support that $350,000 to $500,000 range. The more you move away from the center of town, the more steady that market is. So if you'd like to talk about your situation in particular, the house that you're looking for, the house that you're thinking of selling, and how to make all of that work, please call me. I'd love to sit down and chat with you and figure out where you are and what the next steps will be. My number is 919-602-7411. Give me a call and we can schedule a time to have a chat.